Hello everyone, welcome to Gyankosh Academy. I am Shreya Bordhon, biology teacher of this institute. At present I am working as a teacher in a reputed school of Howrah. So all of you know that your exams are knocking at the door. So for this short span of time, how can you prepare yourselves? So at first you have to understand that which parts are important for your exam. Just for an example, now I am going to discuss about a topic from the class 9 syllabus of ICSE board, that is the different parts of the flowers, which is in unit 2. All of we know that reproduction is the most important process of all living organisms for their survival, and in the mainly flowering plants, flowers are the most important reproductive part. At first, from this part we have to learn about the structure of the flowers and functions of each and every parts of the flower. Suppose if we take a hibiscus flower and if we do dissections of the flowers, what we can see? That the flower is composed of total 4 parts. Okay, for these you have to practice the pictures of the structure of the flowers, means that different parts, that picture also you have to practice properly with proper identification, then it will be easier for you to understand these parts. Okay, so what are the main parts of the flowers? The first one is sepals. Sepal means calyx. With the parts we will know the different functions also. So the first one is sepals. So now what is the function of sepals? Sepal can protect the young bud inside the flower, and as most of the sepals are green in color, so it will help in photosynthesis process. All of we know that as it is green, it will help in the photosynthesis process. So the next one is the petals, the large brightest part which can easily attract the insects, so easily it can help in the pollination process. So the functions of these two parts is done with the structure. Okay, according to this way we will prepare ourselves. At first we will learn about the structure, then we will learn about the functions of each and every part. Now the next two part, that is androecium, and the last one is gynoecium. So these four are the main parts. Okay, so this androecium and gynoecium, these two are the reproductive parts of a flower. So now we will learn that what is the main composition of androecium. So androecium contains a tube-like filament and also anther. These anther contains pollen sacs, and inside the pollen sacs what we will find? The pollen grains, which are very much important for pollination process. Yes, later on we will learn about what is pollination. Okay, now come to the next part. What is gynoecium? So gynoecium is the fourth part of the flower. It is also an important reproductive part. So what is the composition of gynoecium? Gynoecium contains style, means tube-like structure, which is called as style, stigma, and also the most important part, that ovary. Inside these ovary, the eggs are produced and it is enclosed in the ovules. Later on, these ovules transformed into seeds, and the total full ovary change into fruits. Okay, so today we have only learned the different parts of the flowers, their structures and their functions. So if you want to gather more knowledge and want to be successful in your life, join our classes as soon as possible. You can avail all the facilities related to your studies. Here all the teachers are from the reputed schools, and all of we are trying our best to enrich our students. Previous year also Most of our students from this institute scored more than 90%. So, if you want to grab this opportunity, come forward and join our classes. That's all for today. Thank you, everyone.